In the real world, alignment jobs don't fail because your machine's off, they fail because the hardware is off or seized. Uneven tyre wear, poor return to center, and steering pull. You see it every week. A lot of the time, the camber's out, and your factory lower inner control arm bolts are either worn, bent, or rusted solid. Once those bolts are seized in the bush tube, your adjustment window basically disappears. That's exactly what the SuperPro Camber Bolt Grab Kits are built for. These are OEM replacement camber adjusting bolts, designed to swap straight in for tired or seized factory bolts. Then, giving you clean, accurate camber adjustment again. Once they're in, you can restore alignment back to spec properly. Or you can fine-tune camber for lifted vehicles, loaded utes, or customers chasing that better on-road feel. For your customer, the benefit's simple. Camber goes where you set it, tires wear evenly, and the vehicle tracks straight. For you, it turns a can't align it job into a done today job. The Grab Kits are a bulk buy, workshop ready solution. You're getting the most common camber bolt kits in one handy pack. So you're not ordering bolt by bolt or tying up hoists waiting on parts. Wheel aligners love these as they cover high turnover applications. Keep one of these in stock and you'll have the right bolts ready when the next Hilux, Ranger, Land Cruiser, Prado, or Captiva come rolling in the door with seized cams. So, if you're seeing uneven wear, seized adjustment points, or a lifted 4x4 that won't come back into spec, the SuperPro Camber Bolt Grab Kits are the fast fix. Bulk value, built for workshops, and they make alignments accurate again.